Hi, Suchira. Good
Yeah,
evening.
hi, good evening. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing great as well. Thank you for asking. So, this is our first session together, I guess, right?
Yes. It is first session with you.
Yeah. So, give me a brief introduction about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Rakesh Upadhyay. Originally, I am from Uttarakhand, but now I'm in Delhi. It has been 6 years in Delhi too, and I'm working in IT recruitment as a team leader. So that's it.
Okay, very nice. And you've been working for 6 years then now, right?
No, it has been 6 years in Delhi, but I have been working in this company last 3.5 years.
2.5 years. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
And you've been taking, you took more than 40 sessions here in Clapingo, I see, right?
40 session, no. There is, I think, limit of 36 session. But I think there are some cancelled by Twitter site, sometime cancelled by me. And I think I am taking my 30 session, I think. Yeah, I have almost completed 30 session now.
And you have six more sessions left, right?
Yeah, six session is, yeah, remaining two.
Okay, all right. So, did you get a chance to go through the topic we have today?
Yeah, I have gone through it. So I think it's related to
And
animal, I think. Yeah,
yeah. You
yes.
can call if you have like having a call. Is there a call? You have to take the call.
No, I don't have. I think my brothers is getting. No.
Okay, all
Yeah.
right. So how are you into animals and pets?
No, sorry. Can you repeat again?
So are you into animals and pets? Do you like animals and pets?
I like. Yes, I like sometime.
Okay, and do you have a pet of your own?
No, I don't have, and I don't want to keep also.
Why?
I I don't know. Like I don't like to spend much time with them because if I will keep, it is right sentence, na keep.
Sorry.
It is it is right sentence. Keep. It's
Tell me the sentence once again.
yeah. If I keep animal with me, so I need to
I
take
keep
care of.
any animal with me. If I keep any animal with me,
Okay. If I keep any animal with me, so it will take a lot of time and lot of effort, and yeah, I need to spend a lot of time with them also because uh, I need to do everything of them because you need to get up early in the morning or so it is variety of animal. If you like dogs, so maybe if you are dog lover, so surely you need to get up early in the morning, like 5 o'clock something.
no, it's not like that. If you like dog, you don't have to like always get up. If your dog is not used to walking, then it's okay. You will sleep. You will get a normal time. You can take him out for a walk in the evening also. So it's
Right,
okay.
right. But if you are alone, if you are living alone with pet, so it's too tough to manage, I think. So that is the reasons I don't like. But yeah, in future, after 5 year, after 6 year, then I will think about this thing. I need to depend on other persons, maybe uh, in my
Or
family.
a
Yes.
to
But
take
I
care of.
don't want to take any responsibility on this now.
Okay. So the next question is, how do you think pets enhance your life?
Pet enhance my life. Yeah.
I mean, like, what is the impact of having a pet in your life? What impact does it have on your life?
So the main impact, I think, if you keep any pet with you, so
Mhm.
maybe you can feel them and you can because there is some feeling when you will leave some with human also. If you are living with human for a long time, so there is some relations between you and him and that people
Relationship
also.
between you and him. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So if you keep dog with you or if you keep any animal with you, so you can make you can build good relationship with them, and maybe you can change your schedule also. And maybe if you are keeping any animal with you, so maybe you need to get up early in the morning. If you are keeping cow or something like that, it's very beneficial for us. You can drink. very pure milk, or maybe it will affect in your life also. You will get healthy healthy
But you
milk.
will get healthy. You can say that only. You will get healthy with time.
Yeah, you will get healthy also. And yeah, there are a lot of effect, but it's totally up to the uh,
So
animal to animal. It's
yeah,
totally up to your
you-
interest also.
exactly. And if you get a chance, what is your most or coolest pet? What is the coolest pet according to you? Which animal would
Sorry,
you like?
fully.
Sorry, I'm actually very tired. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, I can understand. I can understand.
Yeah. But anyways, what is the pet, according to you? What do you want to keep if you get a chance to keep a pet?
If I get the chance to keep a pet, so which what?
Like, what will you keep? What will you keep as a pet?
Okay. So I would like to keep only cow.
Huh? Cow?
Cow. Yes, cow. You know cow.
Handling cow is so difficult, and like cow is generally kept in a village area, and we are in a
Yeah.
metropolitan, cosmopolitan city. So, like, you cannot keep cow, and cow is like, does such a lot of potty. Who will clean the potty?
Yes. But yeah, if you will keep cow in village area, so it is natural potty, we can say. I have completed my all education from Uttarakhand, and yeah, I used to have a cow also. Uh,
So, what is the name of the cow?
it is totally different name. Like if I say, uh, I think you will not get that name. It's Rupasi, Pintu, like that. It's totally different.
Like,
Because we do have our own language,
hmm.
so we call them like this.
I have one cat in my house.
Oh, so I think you are also lover, a cat lover.
Yes, yes, I'm a cat, not cat, I'm cat, dog. I'm an animal lover, all rounder. I love everything except cow.
Okay, so why do you like why do you love to uh, keep animal?
I believe, there's nobody to take care of them. So, being a human
Mhm,
being, I have the
mhm,
brain, I
mhm,
have opportunity to work hard. They cannot work and earn money. So,
mhm.
somebody needs to take care of them. So, why can't I be the person? So, I love taking care of animals. But I am very scared of cows. Very, very scared of cows.
Yes. But I like, because if you keep a cow with yourself, so there are a lot of benefit and advantage for your life
Cow is
also.
very scary. You don't know what happened with me. One day I was walking and a cow chased me. Okay.
Yeah.
And
So
I was like scared and I had nowhere to go. So there was a shop. I was standing. Okay. So the cow, I had a bike in front of me. So the cow pushed the bike. And
mhm.
I was so scared because it was somehow going to hit me.
Oh, okay.
I ran
So
inside the house. I was
mhm.
so
So maybe there are some, you need to keep domestic cow, na? So domestic cow is fine, very.
no. That cow is not my cow. I don't like cows. I don't like their smell. Okay. But the thing
Yeah.
is, that cow was somebody else's cow. And what happened was, like random, I was walking on the street and it followed me constantly. It was a black cow with black eyes. Okay. And it
Are
looked
you
at me.
sure? Are you sure he's like that one is cow only? Maybe.
Yeah, it's a cow. It's a cow, not a bull.
Okay. Then fine.
Cow, bull has a like heap on their back, right?
Right.
That was a cow only, a normal cow, but very big cow with very big horn. Okay. And
Mhm.
it was black with black eyes, and it was like looking at me, like at me full.
But
Scary.
I have seen if I'm talk about the whole animals generation, cow nature is uh, very natural, we can say.
Docile.
Yeah, it's too innocent. Like if you give them something, they will take. Otherwise, they will never fight. Cow nature is, that is the reasons we are our India say cow mata, like that. That
But
is,
I
it is a
guess
main
that
thing.
cow was, mad. I guess that was a mad cow.
Yes, maybe. But in out of 100 you will find 98 cow very good. Maybe two you find with two, you met with
I
two,
know,
that two cow.
I fed cow, you know. I have given them food and all, and they have taken from my hand, like when
Yeah.
I visit temple and all. Okay, like Guy Seva. Okay, but like after this incident, I am really scared of cows.
Yes, 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 it's happened. Because I think there are some my friend also, they afraid a lot in any animals. Like when they see something, there are a lot of my friend, they have phobia of dog, or
Yeah,
so
even my
we can say.
friend. I have a
Yes.
friend who is huge, who's like, his height is 6.1 or 6.2. Okay,
Mhm,
so tall.
mhm.
But we have a dog, very tiny, small little dog. Shih Tzus.
Ye- yes, 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 yes.
Have you heard about the Shih Tzu breed?
No, I didn't heard, but I have seen like that name.
I will tell you. So it's a very tiny dog, and my friend's height is like 6'2" or something like that. Okay.
Mhm.
I and my best friend has a, like, we have a dog which is a Shih Tzu. So it's this small. Okay, very small, very small.
Oh, it's too cute, really.
At 6'2", who the height is, he's scared of this dog. Okay. He runs away instantly, but this dog is like so sweet, so small, and always like sitting quietly, doing nothing, but he's scared.
Yeah.
Why? Because of phobia.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Seeing this dogs, I am also like willing to love. It's too cute, really.
Yeah, I know. Dogs are cute, no matter what dog it
Mm.
is. Every kind of dog is cute, and they also require help.
Yes, 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 yes. Like
Help and
maybe,
love and care.
yeah, if you are alone in at home, so maybe you feel secure or something. Yeah, sometimes dog is very helpful, because in my village, there are my neighbors. There are some house are very far from my place to that place. So we lived in like in forest, like between in forest. We, yeah. So there is a lot of chances to come tiger or something like that. But at the times, like we do have a
So, did
lot
you
of.
see a tiger ever? Did you see a tiger
Yeah,
ever?
yeah, I have seen a lot of time in my hometown. Like
What?
if, yeah, really, I have seen a lot of time when we like around 4 o'clock and 5 in evening, we went to walking something. At the times, like there is some place, like he, that tiger is every day he came there. So we saw, and there are a lot of story in our hometown. It is
But tigers are
natural.
dangerous. They will bite you, right?
No, no, it's not like that. If you have, like, if you are alone, maybe like they afraid us. He, that tigers are afraid, but there are some, they only attack with animal only. Because if you are going to grazing your cow and your
But
goat.
tigers also attack human beings, right?
No, no, it's very rarely he attack. Uh, in, otherwise, very few chances for
Okay, so
attacking.
this is the dog, I'll
They,
show you. This is the dog.
ooh, it's really really cute.
Yeah. So,
but
anyways,
but this type of dog will not fruitful for us in our village. We need a very pitbull type of dog in our hometown.
otherwise tiger will eat it, right?
Yes, 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 yes. There are a
Yeah.
lot of story related to tiger and the dogs. Like there are a lot of story related to
I
tiger
have
in
seen
our
in the
hometown.
news also, like in Uttarakhand, the tiger got in any house or something,
Yeah,
taken the
yeah.
taken the cow or something.
Yes, 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 yes. Because they are very uh, minded, you can say. They know how to open the door and everything they know. The bag is very talented in our hometown. Bag
Oh,
and tiger, you can say.
all right. So I
Yeah,
guess we reached the time almost.
yeah. So I just want to know my feedback also. I think we do have a very less time.
Yeah. So basically, you're like, you are very hardworking. You try your best. You give your best while speaking in English,
Yeah,
and you try to frame every word in order, which is actually great. But other than that, if I give you a suggestion, there's only, a little bit grammatical error at times. Okay, a
yeah,
little
yeah,
bit amount of grammar error. But once you practice more, the more you practice, the better you get. So carry
yeah.
on conversation, because conversation is what helps you to have a better English.
That
Okay.
is true.
For spoken English, listening and speaking plays a big role. So just carry
Right.
on, do more things like watch English movies, or listen to English podcast or anything, and
Hmm.
speak similar way. So that's how you improve. Okay.
Yeah,
And definitely love to meet you once again. It was great talking to you today.
yeah, yeah. Really, really nice talking to you too. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yeah. Okay. Have a nice
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
Bye.
Same to you. Same to you. Bye.